Hey guys, Josh here again with Redneck Greenthumb. Just going to come at you with a quick broccoli harvest today. So let's get to it. First one's right here. Just going to take I'm going to get it about here. There's one, little tiny one. You can tell your broccoli's ready to harvest because it'll start turning a little bit yellow, because that's what color the flowers will be. So that's what this is. It's a flower head. And they're very, well, they're not very loose, but they're starting to get looser than they were. Usually when they start producing, they're usually really tight, like one I have over there. I'll show you in a minute. These ones are starting to turn a little bit yellow, and they're getting pretty loose. As you can see, these ones here, that one's a little bit loose still. There we go. As you can see, this one here is still very tight and it's not turning yellow yet, so this is probably perfect prime time to harvest. The other ones are a little bit past prime, but they'll still be perfect. So let's get to harvesting. So I'm going to take just the big head and I'm going to leave some of the offshoots and see if they come back. So there's one. Number two. There's number three. Let's take it off right there. That's beautiful. And number four. Well, technically number five, but look at that. That smells good. So there we go. That's the 2023 broccoli harvest. Pretty good. So anyways, there it is. That's the 2023 broccoli harvest. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and hit the bell notification if you want to see when new content comes out. And again, thanks for watching. God bless, and stay safe out there.